Hi guys, this is Shivadi. In this session, I am going to explain Angular pipes. This is one of the important concept in Angular. So I am going to explain with example. So be prepared with some example for the interview. So whenever you are working with the Angular application, there are certain requirements where you have to transform your data into the certain formats. For example, you may have to work with certain dates. You have to convert the date into the different format, or you may have requirement to convert your text into the lowercase or uppercase, or you have to specify currency decimal places or the currency symbol. Similarly, when you are working with the decimal places, you have to restrict decimal places based on certain configurations or the rules, or you may have requirement to convert certain values into the percentages. So these are the typical use cases where um, it requires Angular pipes because Angular provides these certain built-in functions which are called as a pipes, which will help you to transform the data in certain format. So let's look at what are the advantages of the Angular pipes. Angular pipes are used to transform the data in the HTML templates. These built-in pipes cover various transformations needs like date formatting, converting the text into the lowercase or uppercase, or number formatting, or currency formatting, or currency display in the form of symbols, or you might have requirement to convert the given values into the percentages. So these pipes will help you to transform the data because these are inbuilt or built-in functions Angular is going to provide you. Apart from these built-in functions, even you can have you can implement the custom pipes if there are any such transformations are required. So custom pipes can be created for specific transformations that are not covered by these built-in pipes. And also pipes can be chained together for combined transformations. That means you can use multiple pipes as a chain to transform the data in the required or desired format. And one thing we need to remember, applying too many pipes as a chain may impact the performance. So make sure that you properly take a call whether it is really required to utilize use multiple transformations or multiple pipes as part of your application code implementation. And as I said, we can implement the custom pipes as well if the built-in pipes are not suffice your requirement. So in order to implement the custom pipe, you can use the ng generate pipe. This is you can generate using the Angular CLI command line, and you can pass the pipe name. Once you are going to generate this particular pipe, then Angular is going to uh, create a one particular TypeScript class, something like this. Here, one thing what we need to remember was it is a pipe. What is the pipe name? This is very important because this is the name you are going to refer in the templates wherever you want to use this particular transformations. So at the rate of pipe and name, this is the one which you are going to use in the HTML templates. And also you need to implement the pipe transformation interface. We have to override the transform. And in this particular method, you can override what type of transformations it is required based on the inputs. You can take those as inputs and you can do various transformations. So here, whatever the inbuilt pipes are there, I just have implemented them in a custom way, but it is up to you what transformations you want, and those things you can implement in this custom uh, pipe. So let's see how we can use these pipes in the HTML template. Now if you look at here, we have um, double curly open and close braces. Out of that, the first argument is nothing but the value, and the second, after that you have the pipe symbol. After that you have the transformation, which is nothing but the pipe. So if we see the inbuilt pipes, we have the date pipe, uppercase pipe, lowercase pipe, currency pipe, decimal pipe, and percent pipe. So each one is going to act as a one pipe here. So that means it takes this particular value and transform this particular all text into the uppercase. Similarly, you can define lowercase, and if you want to display decimal places, for example here, so we can use the number and what format you want, we can display here. Similarly, you can specify the currency, so you can provide the value and then you can specify what currency you want to display, then it will transform that. And similarly, whenever you are working with the dates and you want certain transformation on this particular date, then you can define that particular format. And also we have something called as a JSON. So you can take this input as a JSON and it automatically convert or the display in the form of JSON. So these are the um, out of this, if you look at the some of them are the built-in pipes, and this is the one I'm talking about. Whenever you implement the custom pipe, default pipe is nothing but the name for your custom pipe implementation. So once you define this particular name, inside that whatever the conversion you want, you can basically achieve that particular functionality through here. Now default pipe, it is a date. Now if you look at here, whenever this argument contains the date, this particular transformation, it is going to be applied for that particular input value. So this is how you can implement the custom pipes implementation. So Angular provides the pipes to help developers to transform the data in different formats. So you can feel free to use any of these pipes, which will comes with handy. You don't need to basically implement any further code. You just need to use them as part of your HTML templates. If you want to implement the custom pipe, you can use the Angular CLI command ngGenerate pipe. You can provide the pipe name. Once you will going to get that particular uh, custom pipe, then you have to override the transform method with your transformation project. Hope this is clear. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.